Welcome. Thank you for choosing to start your day here. This is a 10-minute guided journey designed to help you align your energy and set a powerful intention for your day. Before we begin, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow exhale through the mouth. In this session, we aren't just thinking about the day, we are deciding who you are going to be within it. You are here because you are ready to claim your power. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice any tension you may be holding in your jaw, your shoulders, or your hands. Let it go. With every breath out, feel yourself sinking deeper into this present moment. You have nowhere else to be and nothing else to do but breathe. As you breathe, imagine a warm, golden light at the center of your chest. This is your inner spark, your limitless energy. With every inhale, that light grows brighter, filling your lungs, your arms, and your legs. Now, I want you to project yourself into the day ahead. See yourself moving through your tasks with a sense of ease and confidence. How does the future you, the version of you living your 2026 dream life, walk? How do they speak? Feel the gratitude of someone who has already achieved their goals. Don't just see it, feel it in your heart. You are capable. You are focused. You are worthy of the abundance flowing toward you today. Gently repeat these words in your mind, allowing them to settle into your subconscious. I am the creator of my reality. Today, I choose peace over pressure. I am aligned with my highest purpose for the day ahead. Everything is working out for my highest good. I am the creator of my reality. Today, I choose peace over pressure. I am aligned with my highest purpose for the day ahead. Everything is working out for my highest good. Now take these next couple minutes to visualize how your perfect day will unfold. If thoughts arise, that is okay. Just acknowledge them, let them base, and return to your breath. Take one final deep breath, filling your entire being with this new, vibrant energy. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Remember, transformation is a habit. To truly see the shift in your life, I invite you to return to this meditation for 21 consecutive days. If this session helped you start your day right, please like this video and subscribe to join our community of growth